We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Binomial Theorem. The problem is related to the term independent of x. This question has appeared in the joint entrance examination main held on 28th June 2022 in the second shift. The given problem is the term independent of x in the expansion of 1 minus x square plus 3x cube multiplied by 5 by 2 x cube minus 1 by 5x square whole to the power of 11, where x not equal to 0 is. We are given four options. Option A 7 by 40, option B 33 by 200, option C 39 by 200, option D 11 by 50. Required to find the term independent of x in the expansion given like this, where x not equal to 0. We now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We have 5 by 2 x cube minus 1 by 5x square whole to the power of 11. First we take this and write down its binomial expansion. This is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to 11, 11 cr into 5 by 2 x cube whole to the power of 11 minus r multiplied by minus 1 by 5x square in brackets whole to the power of r. This is the binomial expansion. Let's now simplify. This is equal to sigma r is equal to 11 cr into this minus, take out minus 1 to the power of r. Here it is 5 to the power of 11 minus r, and here 1 by 5 to the power of r, that is 5 to the power of 11 minus r, that is 5 to the power of 11 minus 2r by 2 to the power of 11 minus r. It's okay. X cube whole to the power of 11 minus r is x to the power of 33 minus 3r. From here 1 by x square to the power of r, that is multiplied by x to the power of minus 2r. So 33 minus 3r minus 2r. Further simplification will give you the exponent of x as 33 minus 5r. The remaining things remain the same. Agreed. That is the binomial expansion of this to the power of 11. Agreed. Now multiply with 1 minus x square plus 3x cube. So now 1 minus x square plus 3x cube into the binomial expansion, right? So that is equal to 1 minus x square plus 3x cube into sigma r is equal to 0 to 11 cr into minus 1 to the power of r into 5 to the power of 11 minus 2r by 2 to the power of 11 minus r into x to the power of 33 minus 5r. Multiply. So first we do 1 multiplied by the expansion. That is as it is. As it is. As it is, it will come. This expansion will come. Minus x square into this expansion. So minus will come. X square when multiplied by x to the power of 33 minus 5r, that will be equal to 33 plus 2, 35 minus 5r. So minus, all that is same. The exponent of x will be 35 minus 5r. Now plus multiply by 3, right? X cube. The exponent of x now will become 33 plus 3, 36 minus 5r. So plus sigma multiplied by 3, 3 is here, the remaining things are same, and exponent of x is 36 minus 5r. So that is the expansion is now broken into sums of 3 sums. This is the first sum, second sum, third sum. We continue in the next slide. So that is the first sum, second sum, third sum. Now let us see, in the first sum, the first sigma, can we get a term independent of x? So first, the term independent of x. To get the term independent of x, the exponent of x, that is 33 minus 5r, must be equal to 0. If that is the case, this will imply r is equal to 33 by 5, which is not a non-negative integer. R should be 0 or a positive integer, but it is not. It is a fraction. It is a rational number. It is not. So therefore, no term is independent of x in the first summation. Agreed. No contribution from this. So let's get into the second one. So the term independent of x, for that, equate the exponent of x to 0, 35 minus 5r is equal to 0, r is equal to 35 by 5, that is 7, which is a positive integer. Yes, there is. Yes, we get a term independent of x in this second expansion, second sum. In the third sum, similarly, 36 minus 5r is equal to 0, r is equal to 36 by 5, which is not a non-negative integer, therefore no term is independent of x. So, on the whole, we will get the term independent of x when r is equal to 7. So, the term independent of x is minus 11 cr into minus 1 to the power of r into 5 to the power of 11 minus 2r by 2 to the power of 11 minus r when r is equal to 7. Now minus 1 minus 1 to the power of r. So when r is equal to 7, minus 1 to the power of 7, and there is another minus, this is a plus, and we will get 11 c7 into 5 to the power of 11 minus 2 into 7, 14. That is 11 minus 14 is minus 3 by 2 to the power of 11 minus r, that is 11 minus 7 is 4. So 11c7 is 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 by factorial 4 multiplied by 5 to the power of minus 3 is 1 by 5 cube is 1 by 125 into 1 by 2 to the power of 4 is 1 by 16. First, let us simplify this fraction. So when you simplify that, you will get 11 into 5 into 3 into 2. Yes, after simplification, 1 by 125 into 1 by 16. Now, further simplify, you will get 33 by 200. 33 by 200. When you simplify this one, you get 33 by 200. Therefore, the term independent of x is 33 by 200. Let's look at our options. Our answer appears against option B. Therefore, the answer to this question is option B. So that is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem from the section Binomial Theorem, which is related to the term independent of x. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.